Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. After this. Hey yo. What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So you all know the reason why you've clicked this video. So today we'll be checking out Be First, Spacecraft. So this song was released 6 days ago. So I'm practically 6 days late. However, I've seen this dance practice came up, but I never really sure that it was one of those practices of this song that was released 6 days ago. And I'm really sorry for my late entry to react to Be First. However, I know these people are really good at copyright, so this video is going to be mostly blurred. So I do hope you guys appreciate it, because you all know we are preventing ourselves from the copyright block and the re-upload of many times. Okay, so I'm wearing a shirt that Be First and I and the others will be going to space. Okay, so yeah, I'm wearing a SpaceX pullover right now. So we all are going to space in the spacecraft that Be First mentioned. With that being said, let's all go together. One thing I've always respect about Be First is that they are always unique when it comes on to giving us music, right? And this is one of the major reasons why I became a fan of them, because the dance moves are crazy, the title of the songs are crazy, and you all know the energetic display that they gave us is also crazy. So I'm intertwined with craziness. So that is the reason I became a fan of them, because of those things. So let's continue. So this video looks dope. I mean, like, look at them standing on the chessboard. I mean, like, bro, this is something exquisitely different from everything else I've seen, because they are so unique in their own way. And the precision of them being consistent of giving us uniqueness, then we are all there for the acceptance, right? Crazy voice, bro. Always looking great, always dressing neat, according to the video. I'm loving them, bro. But, bro, the dance moves here are crazy. The dance transitioning is crazy. The video transitioning from the chessboard onto a different scenery is also neat but crazy. The vocals, the voices is also crazy, bro. They are too good for me, bro. Too good for me. Yo, this is insane, bro. This is insane. Yo, this is insane, bro. Yes. Yes, bro, yes. The B first tries again. Right? With everything, bro. The video looks dope. The song sounds amazing. With the different transitioning of each individual partaking here is very talented. Very talented. This is the reason why I'm always eager to see what's up next with these guys because of what they gave us, and they are giving us great quality music. I ain't gonna lie. These transitioning, bro, are way too amazing, bro. It is so quick. It is so neat. It is so properly attired, bro. Switching from point A to point B or block A to block B without making any form of, mistakes. And I can tell that this video takes a lot of time, effort, because I know these guys do not give us stupid videos. These videos have a lot of meaning to them, and we are seeing the reason why Be First always being first with all these things, bro. Trust me. Some of my greatest singers of all time, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. As a Jamaican, bro, I approve them to be great, bro. My gosh. Oh my gosh. After the small, smooth voice, Spacecraft. Then my bro came along with his sweet voice. Then another dude, bro. I'm sorry, but I have to take my time to learn these guys' names because trust me, I can't be a fan of them and I'm not sure of their names. But regardless, I do know them. I do know what they sound like. But bro, this is sick. This is sick. But yet, bro, they are crazily good, man. Crazily good. With everything they touch, it's gold, man. They are too golden for this. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another Be First reaction, man. Stay tuned.